Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over a really useful trick, how to embed a Google Sheet directly into your Google Sites website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to update your sheet and have those changes instantly appear on your site, keeping your content dynamic and always up to date. Whether you're sharing a schedule, a budget, or any kind of live data, this guide has you covered. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to display on your site. In the top left corner, click on File, then go down to Share and select Publish to the Web. This step is essential because your sheet needs to be publicly viewable before it can appear on your site. Don't worry, this doesn't mean others can edit it, it only allows viewing. A new window will pop up. Click the green Publish button and confirm if prompted. This turns your sheet into a live web page that can be embedded elsewhere. If you have any concerns about privacy, take a moment to review your sharing settings before moving forward. You can always unpublish it later if needed. Once it's published, you'll see two tabs, Link and Embed. Click on the Embed tab. Here, you'll find a block of HTML code. Go ahead and copy the entire code. It usually starts with an iframe tag, and this is what allows your spreadsheet to appear directly on your Google site. Now, switch over to your Google Sites project and open the page where you want the sheet to appear. On the right-hand panel, click on the Embed option. It usually has angle brackets as its icon. A box will appear asking for your embed code. Simply paste the code you copied from Google Sheets. Here's a quick tip. To make your embedded sheet look clean and properly sized, find the word iframe in the code you just pasted. Right after it, add width equals 100% and height equals 750px inside quotation marks. This makes the sheet stretch across the page and gives it a comfortable height for viewing. You can always adjust the height later if needed. Once you've made those adjustments, click Next or Insert depending on what you see. And that's it. Your live, interactive Google Sheet is now embedded on your website. Visitors can scroll through it, view your data, and always see the latest updates. If something doesn't look right, maybe the sheet isn't showing or the sizing feels off, just go back and double-check things like the embed code, width and height settings, or whether the sheet was properly published. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or want to learn more tips about Google Sites or Google Sheets, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tech tutorials. See you in the next video.